How to fix Roblox not opening on your Microsoft Store. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can fix your Roblox not opening on your Microsoft Store. So once you're inside your Microsoft Store, and if you are clicking on this play button over and over and it's not playing or not opening, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings and just search in for the system component settings like this. And once you're inside your system component settings, just find the Microsoft Store and simply click on advanced option from over here. Once you click on it, you will see the option for reset repair. So simply click on repair, and also you might also as well reset the application from over here. And what that will do is it will automatically delete everything, your data, everything related to your account, and simply you just have to re-log in to your account from your Microsoft Store by simply heading over to your Microsoft account once again. And once you do that, what I want you to do is simply search for Roblox application on your device if it's installed. And so simply head over to the app settings, as you can see on the screen. Once you're inside your app screen, what you can do is simply do the same, apply the same procedure, that is repair the application and reset this if it's still not working, or you might as well uninstall it once again and reinstall the application, and then your error should be fixed to which will automatically be available to play your Roblox. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.